Oh, smell that? No, good. Add to the ones that want a little bit of heat.
Oh man,
There's enough food in there.
there's never enough potatoes either, you know?
Stop it.
Ooh, we got some crab.
Deep shark bite going on there.
All right, let's do this.
All right, gonna have ourselves a boil today. Oh, we got all sorts of stuff in here.
We got all sorts of corn and stuff in there. Ooh, we got a big old shrimp down there. Those things are straight out of the Gulf of Mexico.
A lot of freaking cool ingredients going in.
Oh yeah.
We got fall coming, so people are starting to think about these boils, right?
Oh yeah.
Going slow.
Oh,
And,
that'd be freaking fantastic.
yep. And
You can bring this to the tailgating down with a little football too.
yeah,
You make a lot of friends.
Hey, Frogmore, how you doing?
This is like, here, we got to turn it on, right?
Some corn,
Nice corn.
Garlic,
a little garlic,
Mr. Onion,
onions,
oranges, lemons.
Yep.
Mr. Potato Head,
the Mr. Potato Heads.
yep. Mr. Cocktail Sauce.
Recipe for the shrimps. And we like it hot at the pit.
Stuff for Mr. Crawfish Boils.
Yep, got the crawfish. Yep, Saturday hands.
Little Mr. Obey. Little Mr. High Octane.
Oh yeah.
High Octane.
Good. Awesome.
Here's Mr. Clams. Mr. Sausage. Mr.
Crab legs.
And here's Mr. Shrimp.
Mr. Shrimp.
Mr.
Shrimp from Gulf Mexico. All right.
Shrimp, yep.
There we go. Gonna be fun.
And here's okay.
You guys really know how to shuck corn. You're shucking it.
There's a guy one night on YouTube shucking corn. He shucked the corn backwards. He stuck from the bottom end, not the top end. What the hell are you doing?
What the heck are you doing?
I don't know. He had no idea what he was doing. Some young-
all right, we're at the pit. We're gonna do some frogmore stew. Or some of you know, it's also called a low country boil. You gotta check this out. Now this is for lunch at the pit, man. I'm telling you what. Hey, Hardy, tell us a little bit about this Carolina awesome stew, or low country boil, they'll call it too, man. Look at this. You've got the corn.
You got the sausage, you got the shrimp, you got the crab legs, you got a few clams, you got some potatoes, and we're gonna start off by putting a little bit of Old Bay seasoning in the water, get it incorporated, get it to dissolve. Then we're gonna start after that with a little bit of crab oil, which is a bag that has a million little different types of herbs and spices in there. That'll be added to the water.
Oh yeah.
Then we have a little bit of concentrate crab oil that enhances the flavor a little bit more. So we'll add that to the liquid once everything is dissolved. Then the first thing we're going to start adding will be our potatoes. We'll put the potatoes in for about 10 minutes.
Like new potatoes, man.
Get these guys going.
Perfect.
After we get our potatoes in, we'll let them cook for about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and we'll add some sausage to it.
Yep.
Add that, let that go for about another 5 or 6 more minutes.
Here comes that low country.
That low
part of
country,
it, right?
slow and slow. And then we'll start adding our corn after that. And then once the corn comes up to where she's pretty much done, then we'll start adding our clams, our crab legs, and then we'll turn the heat off, and then we'll add our shrimp.
Because these cook real quick,
quick.
so you don't want to overcook them.
Overcook them, yes,
I see
that's
you got
right.
some nice garlic here. Here we go. So now the water is boiling away. It should be close to. So we're ready to have some lunch here, man.
We're gonna have some shrimp boil.
Shrimp
boil.
Let's do this.
Yep. There you go, Harley. There you go.
All right. Start with the Old Bay.
Yep, the Old Bay. Oh, smell that? Smells good.
Go to the packets next.
There's our seasoning packs in there. Our good old crab boil concentrate here. This is to help enhance the flavor a little bit more.
Now you can put that in a whiskey flask too, right?
Sure could, yeah.
Put that a little
We
whiskey,
sure
right?
could, yeah. A little bit of heat just to add to the ones that like a little bit of heat. A little bit of heat.
Do the boil. All right. I think we're good. Thanks, Warden.
All right.
Oh, you smell good enough for like a grandma.
Don't splash.
I didn't do it.
Splash. Good onion, citrus, and then on the onion.
Onions quartered.
He's just dropping right in.
Drop right in there. Yep. Last piece.
Tumble and toil and burrow and whirl.
Anything else going?
Time for the potatoes.
Let's get those.
Watch out.
potatoes in
This
there.
could be a splash and dash. You throw those in there. I'm running. Oh, yeah. There we go.
There we go.
Splash and dash.
Oh man,
There's enough food in there to
there's never enough potatoes either, you know.
stop it from splashing.
Yeah. Cool.
Try to keep it within the breakwaters.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, man. Just got a good smell.
Got to have a good paddle master. You know? Well done. Now the sausage. Whoa. Look at this. Now boiling the sausage is optional. You can go
Just eat it.
but oh man. Nice smoked sausage too. You can really smell it. Excellent. All right, let's get these cobs on here.
Yeah, right off of the
Of course, these are local farm fresh. Stole it from our neighbor. No, I'm just joking. This is harvest season. These nice fresh half cob corn. Oh man. All right. This is where the Frogmore stew takes a turn.
We're not
It's very regionalized. But this is our interpretation. This is all pitmaster privilege here. And we've got some little necks here.
All right. Yes. There we go.
Add a little bit of that
All
hard
right.
shell clam. Goes great. All right.
Here we go. Crab.
We got some crab. Look at that.
Crab legs.
Now this goes in last, obviously, because they cook real quick. So this is why we
And then you'll do the,
put the crab legs in and the shrimp.
shrimp will be last. Yeah, after
last.
that. And
Yep. Because it'll be done before you know it. All right.
let's go.
Last
hey.
but not least,
Warden, we got Paulie, we got Harvey.
you got to get the shrimp in this low
Some
country
shrimp.
boil. Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Come on, Bob, grab some.
Grab some of these.
Oh, yeah.
Get that shrimp in there. Of course, you put the shrimp in last because shrimp cooks real quick. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, right?
This is what you call community cooking right here.
Are you kidding me? Now, this is for lunch. Wait till you see supper tonight.
Checking for the clams. Make sure the clams are popping.
popping them clams.
Popping them up.
Clams,
Oh,
there they are.
wait, let's see
There
what-
they Oh, yeah.
They're popping.
they're open.
Oh, they're popping.
They sunk like
Eat
stones.
me. They're open. Yep. Here comes a train, and here comes a Frogmore stew. Or low country boil, call it what you want. You got to check this out.
Training.
It's like hors d'oeuvres at the pit. Look at that. All right. Man. Wow. Are you kidding me? Spice packs out of there. There we go. A meal fit for a king. And here it goes on. Throw on a little bit more of that Old Bay. And of course, we got some Carolina. A little shout out to South Carolina here, and we're just gonna hit that. This here is Pitmaster Privilege.
Deep shark bite going down.
You got me. All right, let's do this, gentlemen, ladies. Let's feed ourselves, man. You got to check this out. Come on, come on, man. Get in here. There won't gonna be any left. The critters will be here real soon. I'll take a look at that. Does your restaurant serve it like that?
Oh, wow.
I think so.
Oh, hot potato.
Oh, yeah. Take a look at that.
All right.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a good idea. Using some of the broth. You got some taters. You got some shrimp.
Peel some on shrimp. Throw them shrimp right in there.
Yep.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. All right.